Wisdom, one plumber.
Have you ever wanted a specific coupling in the varied lengths that you actually need for your job? Something a little bit longer that the hardware doesn't stock. Have you ever gone on a job or at home and needed a coupling? Something as standard as this. Well, here's it. You can make it on your own. So these are three easy steps in which you can follow to make your own coupling, save money. So we have a lighter torch. We have the piece of plastic pipe of the size that you want to make the coupling. A pencil. A next piece of plastic pipe that we're going to use to form the coupling end. And a damp cloth. So first thing, what I'm going to do is just to mark it doesn't have to be perfect, the center where I want the center between outline on this. Grab the lighter torch. Alright, and what I'm going to do is just to start making circular movements, avoiding from burning the plastic. Right. Right, that's all we're doing. Going around slowly. Right. And we're going to do our best not to pass the mark that we would have made. So what we're doing is heating the pipe right around to make it soft so it can be expandable. Right. You have to move it fast enough so that the pipe doesn't burn. Look about ready now. There we go. Then we're gonna insert the pipe into the end up to the, it may not go perfectly up to the mark. Alright, I could have heated this one a little bit more. Alright, so that it comes right up to here. Alright, but it depends on how you adjust your heat and how you pass your heat over the pipe. So you remove this part. And let's move on to the next side now. Same thing. So just move up. I'm going to try to correct what I would have messed up on the first one. So what you want to do is just heat it even enough. As I said, don't put the fire too close because it will burn. You don't want it to burn. And it's so important when you're doing this to do it in a ventilated area. Alright, let's go. Next side. This one is a lot better. Alright, that's how the first section should have been. Nice as this one. You can see it in the video. Alright, then you pull it out. So as I said before, the more you do it, you can adjust the heat, adjust the pattern of how you displace the heat around the fitting, right? And it's simple. You can attach a pipe to this end, also attach a pipe to the other end. You make your glue joint just as how you would have regular made your glue joints, and you actually have a coupling that is a lot longer than the regular coupling due to what your specific needs are. Yeah, man, again, please remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.